In recent decades, the water table has fallen up to 30 meters. Over 300,000 wells have run dry and fallen into disuse, and thousands of lakes have disappeared. The CIA is said to monitor the water situation here as assiduously as they once monitored troop movements in the Soviet Union. For if China has to import just 10% of its cereal crops, their price all over the world will be pushed up, with global political consequences. The Yellow River snakes its way across this plain, one of the world's mightiest rivers and the cradle of Chinese civilization. But more and more often, the river simply fails to reach the sea because of excessive exploitation. As the boat scrapes against the riverbed, I get an alarming picture of China's water crisis. The Yellow River is simply drying up on the very plain where millions of Chinese live. There is another problem. Every year, the Yellow River carries downstream enormous amounts of silt, enough to build a tower that could reach the moon. So the riverbed gets higher every year. Determined to address this grave danger, the Chinese have constructed huge sand washing works, unlike anything the world's ever seen. The water is discharged at high speed to help the river transport sediment further towards the ocean.